Minulto ang kanta na Golden sa K-pop Demon Hunters. May horror story behind the song Golden sa K-pop Demon Hunters. Ito si EJ at siya ang singing voice ni Rumi and nire-record niya yung song na Golden. Nagkaroon ng malfunction while she was recording, so yung volume knob wasn't working kaya tinawag niya yung assistant engineer for help. So tinawag niya si Sully. Narinig niya na may pumasok sa recording room, bumukas yung pinto, may footsteps. Tapos may nakita siyang matangkad na lalaki na naka-jeans, naka-flannel, na was walking towards her for a split second. But when she looked up, wala namang tao. Wala rin yung assistant engineer. The next day, dinascuss niya ito with the staff and ayun pala may reputation yung studio na may mga paranormal activity, na may mga multo. May lalaking multo sa 3rd floor at may babaeng multo sa 4th floor. And ayon kay EJ, may paniniwala na sinabi yung mom niya sa kanya na kapag habang nagre-record ka ng song tas may paranormal activity or may multo, magiging big hit daw. And true enough, Golden is a big hit. Baka may basbas ng multo.